Students, now we are going to start exercise G of unit number 1 equation. First question is given by the solution of quadratic equation a plus b minus 2c x square plus 2a minus b minus cx plus c plus a minus 2b equals to 0. Okay. See, we cannot solve this equation by using any method like D method or by splitting of terms. So we have to use our objective method, means trial and error method. Okay. What is our equation? A plus b minus 2c into x square plus 2a minus b minus c x plus c plus a minus 2b equals to 0. Okay. Now first we are using our option A. Option A is given by x equals to 1. We have to put x equals to 1. Okay, 1 square equal to what? First we are solving this step. X equal to 1. 1 multiplied by with bracket, we will get same answer, a plus b minus 2c. Similarly, if we multiply this bracket with x, x equal to 1, again we will get same bracket plus 2a minus b minus c. And the last term is constant, put down at as it is, c plus a minus 2b. Okay. We need it is equals to 0. In short, બધું કટ થઈ જવું જોઈએ. ચાલો તો ચેક કરીએ કે ભાઈ 2c, ચાલો a પોસિબલ જ નથી, અહીંયા 2a છે, અહીંયા a, અહીંયા a, it is 4a. That means હવે આગળ આપણે જોવાનું જ નથી, it does not equals to 0. So option A is not possible. Okay, now we are trying option B. Option B is given by x equals to minus 1. Putting x equals to minus 1. Okay. A plus b minus 2c. A plus b minus 2c into minus 1 square plus second bracket 2a plus 2a minus b minus c multiplied by x. X is equals to what? Minus 1. And last bracket is constant, c plus a minus 2b. Okay, now open this bracket. Minus 1 square is equals to 1. 1 અને તે multiply કરીએ એટલે same answer આવશે, a plus b minus 2c. Okay, now minus 1 multiply with this bracket, sign should be changed, minus 2a minus 1 into minus b, minus minus plus b, minus c into minus 1, minus minus plus c, plus c plus a minus 2b. Okay, now see, a minus 2a plus a means a plus a, 2a and minus 2a should be cancelled. Similarly, b plus b, 2b, and here minus 2b is given, 2b cancel, and similarly minus 2c and c plus c is equals to 2c cancel, and we will get it is equals to 0. So option B is correct option. Okay. Now question number 2. If the root of the equation x square minus 8x plus m equals to 0 exceed the other by 4, then the value of m is. ચાલો તો આમાં આપણે calculation compulsory, we cannot use here trial and error method. Okay, see again, root of the equation alpha and beta are two roots. Okay, question is given that one root means alpha is exceed another root by 4 means alpha equal to what? Beta exceed એટલે વધારે plus 4. So alpha plus beta equal to 4. So alpha minus beta equal to 4. Okay, if we are moving beta to other side. Okay, what is formula of alpha minus beta? It is under root of b square minus 4ac divided by a equals to 4. Okay, that means we need value of a, b and c. See, our equation is given by x square minus 8x plus m equals to 0. A is equals to coefficient of first term 1, b is equals to coefficient of second term minus 8, and c is equals to last term m. And we have to find value of m. Okay. Now substitute the values. Therefore, under root of b square means minus 8 whole square minus 4 into a equal to 1, c equal to m, divided by a equal to again 1, and it is equals to 4. Okay. Therefore, under root of 8 square 64 minus 4m equals to 4. Now squaring both sides, and we will get 64 minus 4m is equals to 16. Moving 16 to other side, 64 minus 16 is equals to 4m. Therefore, 4m equals to 64 minus 16 equal to what? 48. Therefore, m is equals to 48 by 4 is equals to 12. So, value of m is 12 and it is given in option D. So, option D is correct option. Now, question number 3, the value of x in the equation 7 x plus 2p whole square plus 5p square equal to 35xp plus 117p square r. See, we can use trial and error method by putting the options, but it is quite difficult and lengthy method when we are solving quadratic equation. So quadratic equation જ્યારે પણ solve કરો ત્યારે મારી એડવાઇસ એવી છે કે બને ત્યાં સુધી ઇક્વેશન સોલ્વ કરી નાખવાનું. ઘણી વખત ફટાફટ આન્સર મળી જાય. તો ઓપ્શન ઉપર કારણ કે બે વેલ્યુ હોય, ઘણી વખત એવું થાય તમે આ ઓપ્શન ડી આન્સર આવતો હોય તો આપણે 1 2 3 4 5 6 કેલ્ક્યુલેશન કરવી પડે. બરાબર. લિનિયર ઇક્વેશનમાં શું હોય, વન વેલ્યુ હોય એટલે કોઈ પ્રોબ્લેમ થાય નહીં. Okay, so here we are solving our equation. Our equation is given by 7x plus 2p whole square plus 5p square is equals to 35xp plus 117p square. Okay. Now expand x plus 2p whole square 7 into, it is look like a plus b whole square. A plus b whole square means first term square x square plus second term square 4p square plus 2 into first into second term means 2 2s are 4xp plus 5p square is equals to 35xp plus 117p square. Okay, now multiply 7 with the bracket and we will get 7x square plus 28p square plus 28xp. Okay, 7 into x, 7x square, 7 into 4p square, 28 p square, 7 into 4, 28 xp plus 5p square is equals to 35 xp plus 117 p square. Okay. Now, addition subtraction possible હોય તો એ કરી લઈએ પહેલા. તો કે 7x square 28 p square plus 5p square equal to 28 plus 5 is equals to 33 plus 33p square plus 28 xp equals to 35 xp plus 117p square. Okay. Now moving 7x square, 33p square and 28 xp to right side, and we will get 35 xp plus 117p square. Okay, now moving 7x square, it becomes negative, minus 7x square minus 33p square minus 28 xp is equals to 0. Now, addition and subtraction, and then by arrange in proper order. See, x square is our first term. X square is our first term. આપણે એક ભૂલ કરી, એક મિનિટ ચાલો કરેક્ટ કરી લઈએ, એટલે ભૂલ નહીં પણ સ્ટેપ ખોટું કર્યું આપણે. Moving 35 xp and 117p square to left side. Okay, એટલે સાઇન ચેન્જ ન કરવી પડે આપણે. So 7x square plus 33p square plus 28 xp. Now moving 35 xp to left side, it becomes minus 35 xp minus 117p square equals to 0. Okay. Now what left? 7x square. Then by we are writing xp because xp is our middle term. Minus 35 plus 28 is equals to minus 7 xp. And 117 minus 33. 117 minus 33 is equals to minus 84p square. Minus 84p square equals to 0. Now taking 7 common, અને આપણે લખતા નથી કારણ કે આ સાઈડ 0 છે એટલે 0 divided by 7 equal to 0. So we don't have to write 7. Our equation is x square minus xp minus 12p square because we are taking 7 as common factor. Okay. Now divide minus 12. See, minus 12. Divide minus 12 in two parts such that its subtraction, see, you have to see last sign, its subtraction is minus 1. Okay. તો આપણે પહેલા simple factors લખી નાખવાના. 4 3s are 12. Okay, we need minus 1, તો આપણે શું કરવું પડે કે minus 4 plus 3 equal to minus 1. Okay, so x square minus 4xp plus 3xp minus 12p square equals to 0. Therefore, okay, now in first two parts x is common, taking x common, so x minus 4p left, plus in second part what is common? 3p, taking 3p common, x minus 4p equals to 0. And we will get two brackets, x minus 4p and x plus 3p. Compare both the brackets with 0 and we will get x is equals to minus 4p, 0 ની આ સાઈડ આવે તો શું થઈ જાય? plus 4p, and x is equals to minus 3p. So our answer is 4p and minus 3p. 4p and minus 3p is given in option A. So option A is correct option. Now question number 4. The solution of the equation 6x upon x plus 1 plus 6x plus 1 upon x is equals to 13. Or okay, again we can દરેક વખતે હું નહીં કહું બે મેથડ આપણે યુઝ કરશું બટ ક્વાડ્રેટિક ઇક્વેશનમાં કઈ ઈઝી પડે તો કે સબ્જેક્ટિવ મેથડ. ઓકે, so 6x divided by x plus 1 plus 6 into x plus 1 divided by x equals to 13. Okay, now first of all cross multiplication. 6x into x, it is equals to 6x square plus 6 into x plus 1 twice is x plus 1 whole square upon x into x plus 1 is equals to 13. Okay, x into x, 6x square, 6 into x plus 1 of twice is equals to x plus 1 whole square and a denominator is there. Now expand x plus 1 whole square and moving x and x plus 1 to right side. Therefore 6x square plus 6 into x plus 1 whole square, first term square x square plus last term square 1 plus 2 into first into last term 2x is equals to 13. Okay, move denominator to moving denominator to right side, 13x into x plus 1. Okay, now 6x square plus, now multiply 6 with bracket, 6x square plus 6 plus 12x equal to 13x into x, 13x square plus 13x. Okay, chalo 6x square plus 6x square is equals to 12x square plus 6 plus 12x minus moving 13x square to left side, minus 13x square and minus 13x equals to 0. Okay, now addition and subtraction. First, highest term is x square, minus 13x square plus 12x square, it becomes minus x square. 12x minus 13x, it becomes minus x plus 6 equals to 0. Okay, now changing the sign of equation, because other side 0 is given, so we can change the sign of equation. X square becomes positive, also x becomes positive, minus 6 equals to 0. Now factorization. Listen, how to factorize quadratic equation directly. હું તમને direct solve કરતા શીખવાડું છું, ધ્યાન રાખજો. When coefficient of x square is 1 given, અહીંયા coefficient 1 હોય ત્યારે શું કરવાનું? First of all prepare two brackets, then by put x. Okay, જો આટલા બધા સ્ટેપ્સ તમારે કોઈ દિવસ એક્ઝામમાં કરવાના નથી, આ જસ્ટ તમને સમજાય એટલે હું સમ લાંબો કરું છું, બરાબર છે? બટ તમારે આના 50% સ્ટેપ કરી નાખવાના. ઓકે, નાઉ -6 dividing -6 in two parts such that its subtraction is middle term is 1. તો 6 ના એવા બે પાર્ટ પાડવાના -6 ના કે જેનો અને આપણે લાસ્ટ સાઇન જોવાની, જો માઇનસ કરતા આન્સર કેટલો આવવો જોઈએ? +1. તો બધાને ખ્યાલ છે કે 3 2s are 6. હવે સાઇન નો પ્રોબ્લેમ લ્યો, આપણે +1 લાવવા છે તો +3 and -2. હવે જો product of both the terms is -6, yes. Total of both the terms is middle term, yes. Then our equation is satisfied. બરાબર છે? તો હવે શું કરવાનું? જે આન્સર આવે એ પુટ કરજો, +3 -2. બરાબર? અથવા તો અહીંયા જે ફેક્ટર્સ પાડ્યા ને એ જ આપણો આન્સર ગણાય વિથ ઓપોઝિટ સાઇન. આ પ્રોસેસ કરવાની કોઈ જરૂર નથી. -3 and 2 આર અવર સોલ્યુશન્સ. બરાબર છે. શું કીધું? ફેક્ટર્સ પાડો ત્યાં જ આપણો આન્સર આવી જાય, બટ કેલ્ક્યુલેશન હું તમને કરાવું છું. x plus 3 equals to 0, therefore x equal to -3. x minus 2 equals to 0, therefore x equal to 2. બરાબર. આ એક સમમાં મેં તમને ફેક્ટર પાડી દીધા. હવે આપણે બધા જ સમમાં શોર્ટકટ લઈશું. બરાબર. આખો સમ સોલ્વ કરશું નહીં. Now question number 5. Question number 5 is given by the satisfying value of x for equation 1 upon x plus p plus q equal to 1 upon x plus 1 upon p plus 1 upon q r. ચલો આ ક્વેશ્ચન જોઈને તમને એમ લાગે ઘડી કે સર આમાં શું કરવું, એની કરતા ટ્રાયલ એરર કરી નાખીએ. પણ ટ્રાયલ એરર મેં કીધું એમ ફર્સ્ટ ઓપ્શન હોય તો વાંધો ન આવે, સેકન્ડમાં પણ વાંધો ન આવે, બટ સીડી હોય તો આપણો સમ ખૂબ જ લેન્ધી થઈ જાય. બરાબર છે. અને ક્વોડ્રેટિક ઇક્વેશનના સ્ટેપ્સ હું વધારે લખું છું, તમારે એટલા બધા લખવાના નથી, એટલે સમ ટૂંકો જ થઈ જશે. ચાલો, સેટિસ્ફાઈંગ વેલ્યુ ઓફ એક્સ, that means we have to find value of x. Equation is given by 1 upon x plus p plus q is equals to 1 upon x plus 1 upon p plus 1 upon q. Okay. What is our target? Target is x. We have to find value of x. Okay. X. Now x ની વેલ્યુ ફાઇન્ડ કરવી છે, એટલે મૂવિંગ 1 upon x to left hand side, 1 upon x plus p plus q minus 1 upon x equals to what? 1 upon p, 1 upon p plus 1 upon q. Okay. Now what? Cross multiplication. By cross multiplication, 1 into x is equals to x minus 1 into x plus p plus q. ચાલો આની સાથે મલ્ટીપ્લાય કરીએ એટલે શું થશે? ચાલો એકવાર લખી જ નાખો આ રીતે, x plus p plus q, અથવા તો તમે ડાયરેક્ટ માઇનસ સાઇન કરી દો તો ચાલશે, divided by x into x plus p plus q. Okay. LCM equals to, on right hand side by cross multiplication we will get q plus p, but we are writing here p plus q divided by pq. Okay. Now open this bracket, x minus p minus q whole divided by x into x square plus xp plus xq equals to p plus q divided by pq. Now minus x plus x should be cancelled, and we are taking negative sign common from p, minus p and minus q. Negative sign common, minus sign common, in bracket p plus q left, divided by x square plus xp plus xq is equals to p plus q upon pq. See, p plus q should be cancelled, because if we are moving p plus q in denominator, then after we have to cut p plus q. Okay, તો ડાયરેક્ટ અહીંથી સોલ્વ કરી લઈએ. તો શું વધશે આપણી પાસે? તો કે ભાઈ -1 upon x square plus xp plus xq is equals to 1 upon pq. ચાલો હવે શું કરવું જોઈએ? તો કે ક્રોસ મલ્ટીપ્લિકેશન, -1 into pq, it is minus pq, equals to 1 into x square plus xp plus xq, same amount x square plus xp plus xq. Okay. Now moving minus pq to right side, so it is equals to x square plus xp plus xq plus pq equals to 0. Okay, now it is time to take common factor. On first part, x is common, taking x common, so x plus p left. Plus, in second part, what is common? Q. Q is common. If we are taking q common, what left? xp. Means x plus p equals to 0. Therefore, we get two bracket x plus p and x plus q equals to 0. So our solution is x equals to minus p and x equals to minus q. Okay, and x equal to minus p and minus q is given in option B. So option B is correct option. Now question number 6, the value of x for the equation x square plus 9x plus 18 equal to 6 minus 4x. બરાબર છે, તો આપણે તો સોલ્વ જ કરવાનું છે ઇક્વેશન. ઓકે, x square plus 9x plus 18 is equals to 6 minus 4x. Okay, now moving 4x and 6 to left side. So we will get x square plus 9x plus 18 minus 6 plus 4x equals to 0. Therefore, x square 9x plus 4x is equals to 13x. 18 minus 6 is equals to 12 equal to 0. ચાલો, તો હવે આપણે ડાયરેક્ટ આન્સર જ મેળવવાનો છે. લાસ્ટ ટર્મ ઇઝ 12. Divide 12 in two parts such that you have to see sign of last term, such that its total or its addition, total or addition is 13. Okay, 12 ના એવા બે ભાગ પાડો કે જેનો ટોટલ 13 થાય. બધાને આવડે જ છે, પણ આપણે આન્સર ડાયરેક્ટ મૂકવાનો છે. શું કરવાનું? 12 ones are 12. 12 plus 1 equal to 13. Okay, 12 ones are 12. બંને આન્સર આવી ગયા. તો મેં શું કીધું કે ભાઈ ડાયરેક્ટ અહીંથી આન્સર x is equals to, you just have to change the sign, minus 12 and x is equals to minus 1. It is our answer. Minus 1 and minus 12. Option B is correct option. Now question 7, and it is a very important question. Okay, the values of x satisfying the equation under root of 2x square plus 5x minus 2 minus under root of 2x square plus 5x minus 9 equal to 1 are. Okay, you can put the options, but right now we are solving this equation. આવા ઇક્વેશન સોલ્વ કઈ રીતે શીખવા એ પણ તમને શીખવા મળશે. ઓપ્શન તો તમને બધાને આવડે જ છે, બરાબર છે. એટલે હવે ઓપ્શન બને ત્યાં સુધી એવા ક્વેશ્ચન આવે તો જ હું લઈશ. જેમ કે આપણે ફર્સ્ટ ક્વેશ્ચન કર્યો તો બાકી બધા આપણે સોલ્વ કરવાની ટ્રાય કરશું. સો our question is under root of 2x square plus 5x minus 2 minus under root of 2x square plus 5x minus 9 equal to 1. Okay, what is our question? The value of x satisfying the equation. બરાબર, x ની વેલ્યુ ફાઇન્ડ કરવાની છે. તો અંડર રૂટ આપણે રિમૂવ કરવું પડે. તો ફર્સ્ટ ઓફ ઓલ I am moving this term. I am moving this term to left hand side. Okay, તો માઇનસ માંથી શું થઈ જશે? પ્લસ. આપણો આન્સર શું આવશે? મીન્સ નેક્સ્ટ સ્ટેપ શું આવશે? It is under root of 2x square plus 5x minus 2 equal to 1 plus under root of 2x square plus 5x minus 9. બરાબર છે. Now what? Squaring both sides. Squaring both sides. લેફ્ટ હેન્ડ સાઈડ ઉપર સ્ક્વેરિંગ કરીએ તો શું થાય? તો કે અંડર રૂટ નીકળી જશે એટલે 2x સ્ક્વેર પ્લસ 5x minus 2. And on right hand side, if we are squaring these two terms, it is a root b whole square. It look like a under root b whole square. Squaring કરીએ તો શું થાય? તો આન્સર શું આવે? તો કે ફર્સ્ટ ટર્મ સ્ક્વેર a સ્ક્વેર પ્લસ સેકન્ડ ટર્મ સ્ક્વેર b એટલે અંડર રૂટ નીકળી જશે. પછી તો કે 2 into first term into last term. Okay, so a square means first term, 1 square is 1 plus second term square તો કે અહીંયા b તો કે અંડર રૂટ રિમૂવ કરી દો એટલે 2x square plus 5x minus 9. 2a root b એટલે 2 into first term, 2 ones are 2 into second term 2x square plus 5x minus 9. Okay, now see, we can cancel 2x square, અહીંયા x square છે, 2x square 5x and 5x because આ સાઈડ મૂવ કરીએ તો સાઇન ચેન્જ થશે પછી કેન્સલ થાય. બેટર કે અહીંથી કેન્સલ કરી દઈએ તો આપણી પાસે શું વધશે? તો કે -2 equal to 1 minus 9 equal to -8 plus 2 under root of 2x square plus 5x minus 9. Okay, moving -8 to other side, it becomes plus, and 8 plus and a -2, what left? 6 equal to 2 under root 2x square plus 5x minus 9. Okay, now dividing 6 by 2, 2 ને અહીંયા denominator માં ટ્રાન્સફર કરો તો 6 by 2 equal to 3. 3 is equals to under root 2x square plus 5x minus 9. Okay, now squaring both sides. If we squaring both sides, we will get 3 square. 3 square is equals to 9. And on other hand side, it is 2x square plus 5x minus 9. ચલો આ 9 ના સાઈડ મૂવ કરો તો શું થઈ જાય? -9 એટલે આપણી પાસે શું વધશે? 2x square plus 5x minus 18 equals to 0. ચાલો આ ઇમ્પોર્ટન્ટ ટોપિક ખાસ ધ્યાન રાખજો, 2 વખત વિડીયો પણ જોજો આનો ખાસ. આપણે when coefficient of x, how to factorize our equation એ આપણે આગળ શીખ્યા. But if coefficient of x square is other than 1, then what we have to do? First term is 2, second term is -18. -18, see, -18 into 2 is equals to what? -36. -36. Okay, dividing -36 into parts in such a way that its subtraction is +5. જો subtraction એટલે લાસ્ટ સાઇન જોવાની અને આ આપણે નંબર જોઈએ છે +5. ચાલો તો આપણો આન્સર શું આવવો જોઈએ? તો કે +5. બરોબર, મલ્ટિપ્લિકેશન શું આવી જોઈએ? -36. ચાલો તો 9 4s are 36, 9 4s are 36. અને સાઇન શું કરવાની? we need +5. +5 means 9 ની સાઇન આવશે +4 ની માઇનસ. તો 4 into -4 into 9 -36. Okay, yes, and 9 minus 4 is equals to 5. બરાબર છે. ચાલો તો પહેલા તો કોએફિશિયન્ટ 1 હોય તો આના ઓપોઝિટ સાઇન કરી નાખીએ એટલે આપણો આન્સર આવે. બટ અહીંયા આપણે શું કરવાનું? તો કે divided by coefficient of first term. What is coefficient of first term? 2 divided by 2. Okay, divided by 2. 9 by 2 minus 4 by 2. Therefore x is equals to, what is our answer? Okay, answer is with opposite sign, -9 by 2, and -4 upon 2 equal to what? Left 2. -2 becomes +2. સાઇન ચેન્જ કરવાની, યાદ રાખો સાઇન ચેન્જ કરવાની અને ડિવાઈડ કોનાથી કરવાનું તો કે કોએફિશિયન્ટ ઓફ ફર્સ્ટ ટર્મ. સો our answer is -9/2 and 2. -9/2 and 2 option A is correct option. Now question number 8, the solution of the equation 3x square minus 17x plus 24 equal to 0. Okay, 3x square minus 17x plus 24 equals to 0. चलो एकदम शॉर्ट में આપણે आंसर મેળવી લઈએ. Okay, first term 3, last term 24. 3 into 24 gives us 72. Divide 72 in two parts such that you have to see the sign of last term, such that its total is minus 17. What is our target? Total minus 17 and a product plus 72. ચાલો તો એવા ફેક્ટર્સ આમ તો તમને આવડે જ છે એટલે હું એ નથી ડિસ્પ્લે કરતો, પણ મોટો ફેક્ટર આવે ત્યારે કહીશ. તો 9 8s are 72, 9 8s are 72, but 9 plus 8 equal to plus 17. We need minus 17, so put down negative sign. Minus 9 minus 8 equal to minus 17. Minus 9 into minus 8 equal to 72. Okay, હવે આપણો આન્સર કઈ રીતે મેળવવાનો તો કે ડિવાઇડેડ બાય કોએફિશિયન્ટ ઓફ ફર્સ્ટ ટર્મ 3 3. therefore x equal to what? X equal to opposite sign means 9/3 is equals to 3 minus 3. And what is opposite sign of minus 3? It is 3. Second answer, x is equals to 8/3. So our answer are respectively 3 and 8/3. But see, there is 8/3 is not given in option. So again we have to simplify 8/3. Okay, ચાલો અહીંયા જોઈ લઈએ આપણે 3 3s are 9 plus 2 equal to 11. 2 તો આવી જશે, સોરી 3. એટલે ઓપ્શન સી અને ડી બેમાંથી એક જ જોવાના છે. 3 3 બરાબર. ફર્સ્ટ એ બી પોસિબલ જ નથી. 3 2s are 6, 6 plus 2 equal to 8. ચાલો આન્સર આવી ગયો 2 integer 2/3. Okay, 3 2s are 6, 6 plus 2 equal to 8/3. So option C is correct. Option D પણ possible નથી. Now question number 9, the equation 3 into 3x square plus 15/6 plus 2x square plus 9 equal to 2x square plus 96/7 plus 6 has got the solution as. Okay, again you can use options to find answer, but right now we are solving this equation. Our equation is given 3 into 3x square plus 15 divided by 6 equal to 2x square plus 9. Sorry, not plus, equal to, it is plus, equals to 2x square plus 96 divided by 7 plus 6. Okay, first of all simplify this equation to find answer. 3 multiplied by this bracket, it is equals to 3 3s are 9x square plus 15 3s are 45 plus 6 into 2x square 12x square plus 54. 9 6 are 54 divided by what? 6 equal to 2x square plus 96 plus 42. 7 6 are 42 divided by 7. Okay, now addition and subtraction. Sorry, 9x square plus 12x square is equals to 21x square. 45 plus 54 equal to 99 divided by 6 equal to 2x square plus 96 plus 46 42 138 divided by 7. ઓકે એકવાર ચેક કરી લઈએ મને સહેજ ડાઉટ લાગે છે આમાં 3 into 3x square plus 15 by 6 plus 2x square plus 9 2x square plus 96 by 7 plus 6. Okay, 3 3s are 9x square plus 45 6 2s are 12 9 6 are 54 by 6 2x square plus 96 plus 42. Okay, અત્યારે તો બરોબર લાગે છે આગળ જોઈશું આપણે. Okay, now cross multiplication. So 7 into 21x square plus 99 equal to 6 into 2x square plus 138. Therefore 7 into 21, 7 ones are 7 and 7 twos are 14, 147 x square plus 99 into 7 equal to 693. It is equals to 12x square plus 138 into 6. 138 into 6 equal to 828. Okay, now moving 12x square to left side, 147x square minus 12x square equal to 828. Now moving 693 to other side, minus 693. So 47 minus 12 is equals to 135x square equals to 828 minus 693. It is equals to also 135. Therefore, x square is equals to what? 130 by 135 equals to 1. Therefore, x is equals to what? Plus or minus 1. Okay. So, our answer is plus or minus 1 is given in option C. Okay, now question number 10. The equation L minus m by 2 x square minus L plus m by 2 plus into x plus m equal to 0 has got two values of x to satisfy the equation given as. Okay, it is a very lengthy sum. We are solving this sum using delta method. Here a equal to L minus m upon 2, b equal to minus sin L plus m by 2, and c equal to, c is given by third term m. Okay, first we need delta. Delta equal to what is formula? B square minus 4ac. It is equals to, see, b square. See, if we chalo ek step rakhi nakhye, minus L plus m by 2 whole square minus 4 into a, L minus m by 2 into c equal to m. Okay, see, minus sign square is plus sign. L plus m whole square is equals to what? L square plus 2lm plus m square divided by 2 square is equals to 4 minus 2 2s are 4. So we have 2m into L minus m left. Okay. Now multiply 4 with 2m. We'll get L square plus 2lm plus m square minus 4 2s are 8m into L minus m divided by 4. equal to L square plus 2Lm plus m square minus 8Lm multiplication of 8m with bracket 8Lm minus minus plus 8m square divided by 4. Okay, now addition and subtraction. It is equals to L square 2Lm minus 8Lm equals to 6Lm. M square plus 8m square is equals to 9m square divided by 4. Okay, now see, L square minus 6Lm plus 9m square can be written as L minus 3m whole square. L minus 3m whole square divided by 4. Is it okay? It is perfect square of L minus 3m whole square. Okay. In calculation we need under root of delta. એટલે આપણને ત્યાં problem ન થાય, step ઘટે એટલે અહીંયા જ લઈ લઈએ. Under root of L minus 3m whole square divided by 4. Okay, what is under root of L minus 3m whole square? તો કે square નીકળી જશે એટલે L minus 3m upon 4. Okay, it is value, sorry, not 4, under root of 4 is 2. Under root of 4 is 2. Okay, now calculation of x. What is formula of x? X is equals to minus b plus or minus under root delta upon 2a equals to, see, minus b. B is given by minus L plus m by 2. Minus અને આપણી ફોર્મ્યુલાની minus 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 plus આપણે શું લખવાનું? L plus m by 2. L plus m by 2 plus or minus under root delta. Here we find L minus 3m divided by 2 upon 2 into a. A is given by L minus m by 2. A equal to L minus m divided by 2. 2 should be cancelled out. Okay, here 2 is LCM, so we can write L plus m plus or minus L minus 3m divided by 2 LCM and નીચે લઈ લઈએ એટલે 2 L minus m. Okay, now we have to find values of x. Okay, see, here I am writing x equals to formula નો use કરીને શું કરશું આપણે? પ્લસ માઇનસ બંનેને ડિવાઈડ કરી દઈએ, અલગ કરી દઈએ. તો L plus m plus L minus 3m upon 2 L minus m, comma, second value is x equal to L plus m. Now we are putting negative sign, minus L minus 3m upon 2 L minus m. Okay. Okay, first we are calculating this value, x equals to L plus m. Now open the bracket, plus L minus 3m equal to 2L minus m is equals to L plus L twice, 2L minus 3m plus m equals to minus 2m. And here I am multiplying 2 with this bracket, we will get 2L minus 2m. Numerator, denominator both are cut. So we will get first value is equals to x. Okay. Now find second value. Second value of x is equal to L plus M. Now open the bracket, applying minus sign, minus L minus minus plus 3M divided by 2L minus M. Okay, minus L plus L should be cancelled. So 3M plus 2M is equals to 4M. 4M upon 2 L minus M. Okay, 4 by 2 equals to 2. So our second value of x is 2m upon L minus m. So it is our solution, 1 and 2m upon L minus m. Okay, it is given in option, which option? 1 and 2m upon L minus m. Option A is correct option.